I will show you how to apply for master's program in Norway. So the steps are simple. We just need to go to this website. This is called fsweb.no. So I'll go to this website. Yeah. So actually, as I have already selected the institution, this page is showing, but initially something like this should show, and I should be able to select some university from here. So like I need to select one university to apply. So I'm selecting this NTNU, then continue. Next, they will need me to like log into this website. By the way, one thing is that we need to do this same steps uh, s- again and again for each universities. So we can just copy the same steps. And we need to do this register new international applicants for each university. That's a easier way to handle this application process for all universities. Otherwise there are some issues that appear later. So yep, let's see. Okay, so there will be some initial questions. Varies university to university. I'll just, as I have already given this English test, so I have selected this required text is done for me. And then as I am not a EU applicant, so I need to select this one. If you have your own sponsor, like if you are sponsoring yourself, like you have shown the money in your own account, then should select this one. Otherwise, if you, anyone, like if your parents or someone else sponsored you, then this should be selected. So we are good to go now. So here's some uh, personal information. uh, One tip is that this given name and surname should match your passport or like any identification that you are using. So and for this email, you should use like separate email for each application, like each university. This way it will be easier for you to manage. Otherwise you can manage, but uh, if you want to re-log in for a different university, uh, there is some problem I faced. So I would prefer this way. So let me just put all my uh, personal information there. All right. So I can logged in. So after logged in, I'm seeing this page. I need to insert my address, and this is as same as my ID, like passport or something. I guess the passport is the ID for everyone. Yeah, so let me add those and then move to next step. Okay, so after giving the address, uh, like completing the profile, you can choose programs. So now as I am applying for masters, so I can choose this one. Here there is some text you can read. Application deadline is 1st December is written here. So I can uh, select maximum 2 subject here. So I can see all of these like eligible subject for like international applicant, so I can select any of these. Let's say this one, and let's say applied computer science. So these two. This is optional, so we can submit. So this is basically mean that if we get selected for this one, they will no longer like consider me for this. But if somehow we like we're not selected in this subject, then they'll pick this. But they'll first check like my requirement for this. So if I selected in this, then this will be ignored. But if I not selected in this, then like they will check for this one for my documents. So if I submit that, then the document section, actually we need to upload the documents. So for the programs that we pick earlier, we need to check that what are the information, what are the documents we need. So if it's transcript for diploma or bachelor, then we can choose this, fill up the information, and then choose file and then upload. So I'm not uploading this right now because I already uploaded mine in different account. So yeah, like this. So type of application, so ID means like passport, and other documents you can upload English language test, IELTS or TOEFL, GRE, anything. Sorry, TOEFL or PTE, and then financial documents is also like your will go in the other document section. And yeah, that's it. So educational document will go here, and other document will contain your other than passport and educational document, whatever is there will go inside other documents. And also there are for documentation there are some specific guideline for from university. You can like good to follow those. Like some guideline is put all the bachelor certificate and transcript into single PDF, so make that a note and make that single PDF. And also they specify some naming that for IELTS document you should name that English, ENGLISH. So you can just do that. You can just follow that, whichever the university actually mentioned. And like that you can upload here, and then if you press next, you can see that there is the program you have applied, and the status will be shown here. So this is status will get changed once the result published. So that's it. Thank you for watching.